Training, modification, and moving inventory, packing list section. To remove a line in packing list, you select the line, use this icon to send back in stock reserve, or use this one to on reserve and send back to stock. If we take a look to the customer order, we can see that this item is now in adjustment. We can add stock item using this icon, adding a product. We can edit the line to adjust the discount. And we can add reserve stock to orders here. We will confirm this packing list, changing status to shipping confirmed. And if we take a look to the inventory, we can see that the stock has been moved to shipped. To move inventory to a new location, we can use barcode, scan item, create a packing list, and this time we will change status, but we will cancel, on reserve, and change location. If we take a look to the inventory, we can see that the stock has been moved from main to point of sales.